before you disassemble the upper cabin, you need to make a mark on the LED light strip which is not working well, and then prepare the screwdriver. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the side case. And then you need to take the side case out. After you disassemble the side case on this side, you use the same method to disassemble the side case on another side. First, you need to lose these two buttons. And then two people lift the upper case up. And you need to prepare a protecting foam to hold the upper case and the bed. And then you use the screwdriver to unscrew these 4 screws. And you need to take the screw out now. And then we should unconnect these 2 valves on another side. Also, you need to lift up the upper case. And first, you need to cut the little bands. Before you connect the valves, you have to make a mark to remember where the valves is connected. Or also you should take a picture before you unconnect them. And you should remember at this time you only need to unconnect this valve and also this one. And also unplug this socket. After you unmove the valves on this side, you need to move the upper case out. And then we need to unplug the socket. First, you need to move the hot melt boom on this socket and then unplug it. And put aside the screen. Then we need to find out the broken light strip. Suppose this one is not working. We need to cut the nylon band first. And then unplug this socket, the socket of the light strip. And make a mark on the relevant driver. Then you need to flip the upper case. Next, we need to remove this PC plate. You have to wear the glove. One person push and another person pull. And then you need to put the plate on a clean place. And next step, we need to remove the fixer of the broken light strip. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here. Next step, we need to remove the broken light strip. You need to find the broken light strip first. After you remove the broken light strip, you replace it with a good one. And then we install the fixer. Next step, we need to put the plate back. Before that, you have to make sure the plate is clean and with no dust. And then you need to flip the upper case. Next step, we need to replace the driver with a good one. First, you need to prepare a good driver. And then you can see this broken driver. First, you find out the valves of the driver and then cut the relevant nylon band. Be attention not to cut the valves. After cutting all the little bands, and you need to remove the broken driver. When you unplug the socket of the broken ones, you have to plug the new ones in immediately in case that you have a mistake of connecting them. After you plug the socket in, you have to check again whether other sockets are firm enough. And then you need to connect the wires of the light and the driver. This one. And then use the screws to fix the driver. And now the driver and the light strip is changed. You should fix all the wires as usual. After you have to remove all the tools or extra little band or the screws. You have to double check whether there are another screws on the upper cabin. After you fix the little bands, you have to double check whether all of the sockets are firm enough. And then you need to put the upper case back. Next step, you need to connect these wires. You need to connect them according to the mark you made, and also check with the pictures you have taken. Don't forget there is a socket here. And after that, you need to put the cover back. Next step, you need to use the little band to fix this cable. Because these wires are so thin, so we have to fix this cable. You need to use the little band to go through these two holes and then fix it. these two little bands are very important because if you don't fix them, these thin wires might be broken. And also you need to fix the valves here and here. And then we need to slowly pull this cable out. And then connect the upper cabin and the lower cabin. And then we touch the socket in with the screw. Next step, we need to test the light strip. After you connect these two cables and the screw, you can test the light strip now. Then use the hot melt glue to fix the socket. And then we need to put the upper case back to the holder. Make sure the upper case and this metal holder and the plates are on the same level. And then we need to install the side case. And then use the screwdrivers to tighten the side case. When the two side cases are fixed, then the upper cabin is installed.